Yes, students, you are getting, it is not only what exactly you have paid for the raw material. You will tell me, ma'am, that we have paid 100 per unit, that is our cost. No, students, there are additional costs which are required to be maintained, which are required to be incurred to keep quality of raw material intact. So if 100 rupees per unit is your cost and 20 rupees is your ordering cost, okay, and 10 rupees is your maintenance cost. Students, you have to maintain the quality. Suppose students, if the quality of raw material goes down, then what will happen? The final product in which you will utilize that raw material, that will also be of bad quality. So what we do, we have to keep the quality of raw material intact. That's the reason, students, we try to find out how much is the total cost associated with the raw material. Okay, so always think from, you can say, from a seller's point of view. He will try to minimize his cost. Why he will minimize his cost? So that his profit can be increased. Once you minimize the cost, students, what will happen? You can sell your products, okay, at a lower price, and you can grab the market. So that's the reason, students, always this costing techniques, or you can say the whole costing subject, is basically concentrating on how to reduce the cost and how to get maximum out of optimum capacity. So economic order quantity will give you an idea, students, how much is the minimum order which we need to make so that our costing does not increase. And when we are talking about cost of material, students, it is not only the cost per unit what we are paying, we are also paying the maintenance cost for raw material, the ordering cost, we are paying commission to the agents. So normally the cost of the raw material, it increases, students, because other additional things has to be added to it. Okay, so that's the reason, students, me, students. Yes, yes, students, you are able to hear me?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Okay, okay. Thank you, students. Now, EOQ, students, it will give you an idea, minimum quantity, how much we need to order, so हमारा cost reduce होगा. अभी students, see, this is the formula. EOQ is 2 D into S upon H. That is, you have to take square root of this. Now, A stands for your annual demand. A is your annual demand, that is denoted by D, and S is your ordering cost. Whatever ordering cost, it might be the commission or it might be the tendering cost. H is your holding cost, students. Holding cost means, normally I give you an example, like if you have ordered a raw material for 100 rupees, but students, you need to store it in a warehouse where the temperature need to be maintained. So you are paying rent for that warehouse. Okay. Not only that, students, along with rent, you will pay also security charges. You will also pay charges to manager to keep a record how much material is being put up in the warehouse and how much material is going out. Somebody need to you need to give responsibility to someone so that they can maintain the record of in and out material. So basically, students, it is not only the per unit ordering cost which we are paying, but there are additional other expenses also which is added to the cost of raw material, students. So that's the reason what we do, students. We try to take minimum order quantity so that our maintenance cost doesn't go high, students. Say for example, like salt, students. We use salt in our daily life, but it may not happen that, students, you will take two dozens or three dozens of salt packets and you will store in your house. Is it so, students? Do we do it? Yes. Yes, students. Do you take 12 units, or you can say 24 units of salt packets and store it in your house?
No, miss.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, miss.
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
No, miss.
No. Why we don't do it, students? Yes. Why we don't do it? Because it is readily available. What is happening, students? Suppose if you are storing that salt somewhere, after particular time there is an expiry period. Since it is a perishable quantity, perishable unit, what will happen? It will decay. or its quality will deteriorate. So what will happen, students? Your that salt will deteriorate. It will be of no use. So what is the use of purchasing in bulk? So we will only purchase that much quantity which is required by us and which we can utilize when it is of best quality, students. Maximum what you can do, you can purchase two, three packets of salt, not more than that. Getting? So EOQ is basically the same concept which I gave you example through way of salt. Similar way, students, organization and business firms also think in the similar way. Why to order in why to order high and store it in warehouse? Order only that much which is required, students. Why to block money in raw materials? See, once we are ordering and we are keeping that raw material in warehouse, that means we are blocking our money, students, until we are not able to utilize that, produce that. What will happen, that all things will be of, like, students, it will become scrap day by day. It will become like the quality will go down. So that's the reason, students, EOQ concept is introduced in costing, so that we don't order high and we don't order low. It should be on optimum level. Now see here with the example, you will understand. Annual consumption means in full year I'll require 6,000 units for raw material. What is the ordering? It is 60 rupees. Okay. Per ordering cost, what I need to incur. What is the carrying cost? Carrying cost means students maintenance cost. ये 6,000 units if I'll keep in warehouse, वो warehouse का charges, उसका electricity का charges, उसका rent, maintenance, उसका 2 रुपया per unit पड़ रहा है, students. So imagine the level, मतलब वो, why to take additional burden? Because of this EOQ, students, Japanese have come up with the concept of just in time. GTI. What do you mean by GTI? As you receive order, तभी raw material खरीदो, manufacture करो, दे दो. Don't store raw material in your warehouse. But just in time is only helpful, students, when the raw material is properly and readily and freely available. अगर if there is some problem with the raw material, कि आपको raw material खरीदने में issue हो रही है, then in that case sellers क्या करते हैं, students, they take up those raw material and they keep in their warehouse, कि अगर कभी ऑर्डर आया या हमको प्रोडक्शन मेंटेन करना है, तो अगर नहीं मिला तो क्या करेंगे? तो बिकॉज सिंस ये पैसा ब्लॉक रहता है, स्टूडेंट्स, अंटिल वी डोंट प्रोड्यूस इट, दिस मनी विल बी ब्लॉक्ड. So that's why Japanese have come up with the concept of just in time. But this is not possible for each and every type of business. कहीं ना कहीं स्टूडेंट्स हमको कुछ ना कुछ एडवांस में हमको रखना पड़ता है. वी कीप इट इन आवर हाउस ऑल्सो ना, स्टूडेंट्स. ऐसा होता है कि आज जो घर में बनाना है तो आज ही जाके खरीद के लेके आएंगे, फिर बनेगा. वी कीप समथिंग इन एडवांस, लाइक एटलीस्ट 15 days food we keep in advance at our home. Yes or no, students? Yes.
Yes, miss.
Yes. Yes. I hope I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Yes, miss.
Reply.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं. Yes. Am I audible to you?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss. Yes, miss.
Can you hear me? Yes.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Thank you for replying. Some connectivity issue. Now I'm going to canteen. 1 minute. I'll be starting with the lecture. Yeah. So students, now when we are talking about like this EOQ and all that, students, I am basically talking about the cost of material which need to be minimized. Simple terms में students, if I tell you कि only order that much which is required और जिसको maintain करने में you don't incur much. Suppose if you are getting discount of 10 rupees in purchasing, वही सेम रॉ मटेरियल को रखने के लिए अगर आपको 15 रुपीज का खर्चा हो रहा है, सो व्हाट इज द पॉइंट स्टूडेंट्स इन परचेजिंग? आई गिव यू एग्जांपल ऑफ सॉल्ट स्टूडेंट्स. हाउ मच सॉल्ट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन अवर हाउस? एक पैकेट, 2 पैकेट हमने ले लिया, हम पूरा उसको 1 डजन 2 डजन नहीं लेके रखते स्टूडेंट्स. बाय द टाइम जब तक हम उसको कंज्यूम करने जाएंगे, इट विल डिटोरिएट, इट विल डीके, इट विल, उसका क्वालिटी डाउन जाएगा. सेम थिंग इज एप्लीकेबल विद इंडस्ट्री स्टूडेंट्स. इंडस्ट्रीज भी बल्क में रॉ मटेरियल कितना खरीद के रखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? 1 महीने का, 2 महीने का, 3 महीने का. आफ्टर दैट द क्वालिटी ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल विल स्टार्ट डिक्रीजिंग. अगर आपको क्वालिटी ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल यू हैव टू कीप इट इंटैक्ट, देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू ऑफर, यू हैव टू हायर बेस्ट वेयर हाउसेस वेयर द क्वालिटी डजंट गो डाउन. वेयर हाउस में रखोगे उसका रेंट देना पड़ेगा, सुपरविजन चार्जेस देना पड़ेगा, यू हैव टू हायर अ मैनेजर हु विल कीप अ रिकॉर्ड. तो एडिशनल मीन्स आपने बल्क में ऑर्डर करके ले लिया कि सस्ते में मिल रहा था, बट उसको मेंटेन करने के लिए यू आर इनकरिंग एक्स्ट्रा. सो EOQ विल गिव यू सच अ स्टूडेंट्स पैरामीटर वेयर वो ऑप्टिमम कैपेसिटी बताएगा कि इसके ऊपर ऑर्डर मत करो या इसके बिलो ऑर्डर मत करो, सो दैट कॉस्ट शुड बी लेस. अभी देखो स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम में देखो, एनुअल कंजम्पशन जो है स्टूडेंट्स वो 6000 यूनिट्स है. मतलब इन फुल ईयर आई विल रिक्वायर 6000 यूनिट्स ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल. कॉस्ट ऑफ कैरिंग मीन्स मैं जो ऑर्डर करने जाती हूँ तो 60 रुपीज पर यूनिट मुझे रॉ मटेरियल मिलेगा. कैरिंग कॉस्ट मीन्स मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट, जो मैं आपको बोलती हूँ, रेंट, मेंटेनेंस, जो उसको संभाल के रखने का, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, ऑल दोस कॉस्ट, कैरिंग कॉस्ट 2 रुपीज है. अब नाउ आई हैव टू कैलकुलेट एंड टेल के EOQ इसमें से कितना आएगा. अभी देखो स्टूडेंट्स, EOQ का फॉर्मूला है 2DS upon H, that is your square root. Whatever answer will come, you have to take square root of that. Now D is your annual demand. साल भर में कितना यूनिट्स लगने वाला है? एज पर एग्जाम्पल 1 कितना यूनिट्स लगने वाला है स्टूडेंट्स? टेल मी. 6000. वेरी गुड. तो 2 into 6000 into आपका S is your cost. How much cost you are like students वो per unit में कितने में आ रहा है? 60 rupees में. And H means holding cost. Holding cost means how much you are going to spend to maintain the quality of the raw material. So holding cost rupees 2 as students. So what you will do, see in the picture, 2 into 6000 into 60 divided by 2. So what you will do?
72,000
into 60. Yes, whatever answer you are getting, divide by 2 and then do a square root. Okay, once you are doing a square root, you are getting answer as 600 units. So 600 units means students, in a single order, you should not order more than 600 units. साल भर में या in full annual we are requiring 6000 units. एक ऑर्डर में 600 दे रहे हैं, तो मतलब साल भर में कितनी बार ऑर्डर करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? Come on, apply your mind. In full year, I will require 6000 units. एक ऑर्डर में मैं 600 यूनिट्स, सॉरी, फुल ईयर में 6000 ले रही हूँ, एक ऑर्डर में 600 यूनिट्स दे रही हूँ, तो साल भर में मुझे कितनी बार ऑर्डर देना पड़ेगा तो 6000 यूनिट्स मिलेगा? 10 टाइम्स. वेरी गुड.
10 times.
10. यस. क्यों? क्योंकि 6000 यूनिट है डिवाइडेड बाय EOQ 600, मतलब मुझे 10 बार साल भर में ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा. गेटिंग? तो EOQ ने मुझे ये बता दिया कि मिनिमम मुझे 600 यूनिट्स ऑर्डर करना है, इसके ऊपर जाना नहीं है और इसके नीचे नहीं जाना है. अगर इसके ऊपर जाएंगे तो मुझे लॉस होगा क्योंकि मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट बढ़ जाएगा. इसके नीचे जाऊंगी तो मुझे डिस्काउंट कम मिलेगा, तो भी मुझे लॉस है. सो EOQ विल गिव यू एन ऑप्टिमम लेवल कि यू शुड नॉट ऑर्डर बिलो दिस एंड अबव दिस. इतना समझा है? यस.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. क्वेश्चन 2 देखो स्टूडेंट्स. फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग पर्टिकुलर्स कैलकुलेट EOQ. ठीक है, एनुअल रिक्वायरमेंट दिया है 1600, मटेरियल का कॉस्टिंग दे दिया 40 रुपीज है, फिर कॉस्ट ऑफ प्लेसिंग ऑर्डर 50 रुपीज है स्टूडेंट्स, फिर एनुअल इन्वेंट्री कॉस्ट 10% है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, just cost of placing one order, just ignore that. Okay, we will learn when we are doing it. 1 minute. Okay, so first we will substitute in our formula. This cost of placing order, it will come down students when we are going on higher level. So time being के लिए you just first learn EOQ. EOQ calculate करो, उसके बाद students total inventory cost आएगी ना, उसके बाद ही आपको ये concept समझेगा. तो first we will try to find out EOQ from question 2 details. Annual demand 1600 है, cost of material 40 rupees है students. Okay, cost of placing order 50 है, और ये annual inventory value is 10%. Now see in the formula. Can you see? I am trying to enlarge it. Can you see it clearly? Yes?
No,
Yes.
miss.
Yes, miss.
Yes? Okay.
Yes, miss.
Now see, 2 into annual demand, 2 into 1600 into 50 rupees आपका ordering है, upon 40 is your cost of material जो आपको per unit पड़ रहा है, उसमें से तो 10% आपका मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट है स्टूडेंट्स. मतलब 40 रुपीज तो आपको पर यूनिट में पड़ ही रहा है, प्लस 10% एडिशनल. तो 40 का 10% मीन्स 4 रुपीज पर यूनिट यू आर इनकरिंग एक्स्ट्रा टू मेंटेन क्वालिटी ऑफ दैट रॉ मटेरियल. सपोज अगर मैं बोलती हूँ कि एनुअल कैरिंग कॉस्ट इज 20%, तो व्हाट क्या आएगा फिर डिनोमिनेटर में स्टूडेंट्स? 40 इंटू 20%. यस यस,
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
getting? Yes. So abhi students, in numerator 2 into 1600 into 50 is your ordering cost, upon 40 into 10%. When you will solve, you will get answer as 200. Now 200 is what is the minimum quantity which you need to order, ताकि आपका ज्यादा प्रॉफिट में भी ना, मतलब आपको मतलब लॉस नहीं हो, ना डिस्काउंट में भी लॉस हो और ना ही मेंटेनेंस में लॉस हो. So in full year, if I want 1600 units और एक में मैं 200 यूनिट ऑर्डर कर रही हूँ, तो स्टूडेंट्स कितनी बार ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा?
8 times.
8 times.
8 times. Very good. So this EOQ gives you an idea students कि आपको कितनी टाइम ऑर्डर करना है ताकि आपका कॉस्ट कम हो. अब नीचे वाला क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आप लोग सॉल्व करो. आई एम स्क्रीन पे शेयर किया है मैंने. ठीक है, सॉल्व एंड टेल मी EOQ का क्या आंसर है. कम ऑन, ये 2 भी मैं सामने ही रखती हूँ सो दैट स्टूडेंट्स अभी पहली बार आपको आ जाए. ओके, या सिमिलर लाइक क्वेश्चन 2. गो अहेड एंड टेल मी द आंसर.
मिस कैरिंग कॉस्ट 20% में 12 रुपीज 12 का 20% ना मिस.
ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट, ठीक, तुम्हारा सेलिंग प्राइस कितना है?
20
इसका
रुपीज.
तुम्हारा आएगा 20 का.
20 per.
यस, 20 का 20%.
Well, miss.
What is the answer?
Well,
What is you? 12. Only 12 units? Yes.
yes.
What is the answer? What is the answer? What is the answer? 600, 2 into 600 into your ordering cost into 12 upon 4. Then a square root. You are getting 12? Yes? Yes? Yes?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So how many times you have to order? How many times you have to order in a full year? Tell me. How many times I have to order? If 600 units I required in full year and the EOQ is 12 units. So how many times I have to order?
50 times.
Correct. Very good. Very good. Now question 4. Just wait. Hmm. 1 minute, students. Please, question 4. 1. Yeah. Just by the time you just read the question 4, I'll just edit it from the computer. Yeah. Just read it.